If you're looking for true AI royalty-free music at a great price, then look no further than Tempolor. They're not only offering you music for your content, but also allowing you to create custom music and vocals that you can use commercially. Let's talk about it. Welcome back, y'all, to We Shoot Films, where I create content creation, Unreal Engine filmmaking, and also do product reviews that help support all of those topics. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe today. Now, Tempolor reached out to me and asked me would I do an update on their site, and of course, I'm going to say yes. I've worked with them before a few months ago in the past, and I just really like their service. If you don't know what they are, Tempolor is a true AI royalty-free subscription-based platform that gives you music, and it's truly royalty-free. Like, I've not seen not one company do what they do. You can literally create your beat and put it into something else or add to it and release it and commercially use it and be under license. I mean, they're letting you do things that most companies do not let you do, all right? And now they've added some amazing vocals to their, song creation process. So that's what I'm gonna concentrate on today, the vocal side of things, all right? So if you haven't been there, let me show you the website real quick. All right, so here is the site right here. Amazing site, Tempolor.com. Make sure you visit it today, but after this. And if you go to music, right there, you can pick all kinds of music. You got mood right here, as you see, all the moods, the themes, the genres, instruments, BPMs. Come on, man. Then if you wanted to, you can heart it. You can find something similar, or you can download it. If you download, you got WAV and MP3, and you got stems. All right, but stems is for the pro version. And now let's go right here. Now, if we go to the pricing, I'm gonna go to the pricing real quick, because we're gonna do all of this real quick before I get to the vocals. I wanna get this out the way and show you how great they are. I mean, you got the Lite for $9.79, the Pro for $13.99, this is the monthly one, and the Ultra for $29.99. And the Ultra one, that me personally, that's the one to go. It covers everything. Commercially, it just covers everything. But even if you went down to the $13.99, I mean, it covers everything. You know what I'm saying? Unlimited downloads. You know what I'm saying? License covers commercial videos, ads, paid ads, YouTube, Facebook, etc. for $13.99 a month. No other company is doing that. I don't care what you say. No other company is doing that. But at the $29.99, that's the one I would do, because that covers TV, covers radio, Spotify, Apple Music. Like, you could literally create your own music, and that's what we're about to do right now. So, I mean, you see it right here. I'm telling you. I'm on this. I'm telling you. I'm trying to bring you to it. All right, this is recommended. You could put something in here and recommend it, and it'll just create something based off what you give it, okay? But this is where we're gonna be at, create. And this is where it's at right here. This is where it's at, all right? Now, this is my favorite. This is where I spend all my time. Now, this is the prompt, a sweet, nostalgic pop melody reminiscing about a first crush at a school dance, all right? Let's say that's the prompt. And then right here, I got Micah, Sienna, Lennox, and Hazel. But you have way more vocals. I'm gonna choose these 4, but if you go to here, view all, these are all the people you can choose for your vocal style. And they got so many. Here goes Jack. Lost in Here goes Sienna. In the city, the stars align in the dark. Every shadow tells from the heart. Raven. Lost in the moment, looking for a sign, following. Hazel. I tossed and turned all night. Uh-oh. Your marks were all in my mind. Looking forward to meeting. See what Jaden got. In the city where the beats collide. Uh-huh. Rhythms flow like a rising tide. Voices echo through the urban sprawl. You can't tell me that ain't dope, man. We ain't even do nothing. That's just, come on, man. All right, so you could put that there and it'll create something. So let's say, okay, let's just say, a love song about two people who are in love but can't see each other. All right, and we're gonna pick Sienna. All right, come on, we're gonna pick Sienna. She's one of my favorites, say the truth. All right, and then you're just gonna hit create. Now it's generating up here. It's generating two of them at a time. That's what it's gonna do. It's version 2.0, but then you got version 2.1 beta that's going to give you 4 to 5 minutes. All right, we'll do that next. But this one here is going to give you the max of 2 minutes, which is still dope. All right, before they wasn't doing that. Before it was mad short, like 30 seconds, 40 seconds or less sometimes. All right, here we go. Across the Miles. And you've seen this is what we put, a love song about two people who are in love. Who are in love but can't see each other. I wrote that all over the place. Here we go.
Underneath the same vast sky, we dream of moments passing by. No distance keeps us far apart. Your love resides within my heart. Across the miles, I feel your touch. One so strong means so much. Those shadows hide you from my view.
All right, let's hear the other one.
Shadows, we reach for the light. Our hearts entwined, though out of sight. Dreams of your touch keep me alive. In this distance, our love will thrive. Though the miles keep us apart, you are the rhythm of my heart.
All right. Let's do another one, okay? Okay, so a song about struggling in the hood with no money and enemies all around you. See, now I didn't like my input. See right here? Inappropriate material found. Please refine your input and try again. Okay. I don't know what inappropriate was about it, but a song about struggling in the hood with no money. It probably doesn't like enemies all around. Okay, so let's kill that. And let's see what happens here. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Now, again, I said a song about struggling in the hood with no money. All right, let's see what they created.
Streets where dreams decay, shadows linger every day. Empty pockets, heavy load, struggling down this broken road. Voices echo through the night, searching for a glimpse of light. Hope feels distant, hard to find, yet I keep it in my mind. Money, no way to escape, caught in this endless landscape. But I won't let my spirit break, I'll rise above for my own sake.
All right. Now, I'm not a big fan of when it starts rapping, but I do like that hook. That hook was kind of tight. All right, now let's see what it do here. You hear that guitar?
The streets are cold and the nights are long. Every step feels like something's wrong. Empty pockets and a heavy heart, trying to find where I can start. Dreams are distant, fading away. Struggles greet me every day. Hope feels like a fleeting ghost in this place where I need most. Living in shadows, chasing the light, fighting through darkness, holding on tight. Dreams may falter, but I still strive in this battle to survive. living in shadows, chasing.
Ooh, this is dope. I'm taking that one. Hold up, I'm taking that one. Be quiet, be quiet. I'm gonna shut it. I'm gonna like it, and I'm downloading that one all day. I'm taking it. All right. So now let's go to custom mode. All right, and we're gonna change it to the version 2.1 beta. All right, and we're gonna do something else here now. Now I've got to give this to you. In the custom mode, it says right here, type in anything and let AI generate lyrics for you, or just type your custom lyrics. All right, you can just give it some type of prompt. All right, or you can write your own lyrics. And it's not going to use your lyrics verbatim, but you're going to hear some of your lyrics sometimes in the song. It's going to take your lyrics and create a song from them lyrics, okay? And it might take some ideas, it might take some words, but at this moment, it's not just doing like straight up, lyric verbatim, okay? So right here, let's write a song real quick. Let me make sure. Okay, so every day is a struggle, but I'm just trying to survive. They told me life is hard, but I'm still trying to get by. Okay. So every day I'm gonna fight because that's all I can do. And one day, hopefully, I'll make it through. All right, so that's the lyrics right here, okay? Now, you can say enter a style. Now, like I said, this is like digital crates. Sometimes this stuff works good, sometimes it doesn't. And you just got to keep working at it and keep tuning it till you get what you need. But we're going to say chill hop, and I'll say hip hop R&B. You can write a title for it. I'm going to call it Every Day. See, now if I press auto right here, it's going to take that and really make it into a whole song. But it's gonna do it anyway. But let's see what happens. I'm gonna hit create. Just off that, I didn't hit auto. Because when you hit auto, it'll actually write out the song, chorus, verse, everything. You know what I mean? And this is the beta version. So it's gonna create a 4 to 5 minute song. So there's plenty of breaks in there for you producers to break it up and resample it, cut it up, and just remix it. You feel me? And it's legal to do it if you have the license. $29.99, I'm telling you. All right, here we go. It just did it, and let's see what it got. Now, remember what we wrote. We wrote that. I didn't hit auto. Let's just see what it created.
Feels like a test. Facing tries, I do my best. They said life would be this way. Still I rise to face the day. Through the storm and through the rain, holding on despite the pain. Every moment is a fight that struggle way up on my soul. Yet I strive to
All right, let's see what we got on this one.
Every day is a battle phase, searching for hope in this endless race. They said life would be tough to endure.
All right, so I don't like that much, but I do like that intro. That intro was dope as heck. You hear that right here? That right there is everything. All right, so now we're going to do this. I'm going to leave it the way I wrote it, and I'm going to hit auto, and it's going to create something. Verse, okay, you got the choruses, and then the instrumental. And I'm keeping things like this. Let's throw some PB, R&B. I'm going to just give whatever. And now let's choose Lennox. Let's hit Lennox up. And I'm gonna hit create. And we're gonna see what that do.
Every day is a struggle phase, trying to survive this endless race.
No. That was whack. Let's just keep it 100.
Promises fade like the evening light.
You hear that?
But I keep searching
Come on, man.
through the night in this city of shattered dreams.
See, now this one, I don't like it rapping, but the beat and some of the singing is dope.
Searching pain walk side by side.
Right here. It's gonna break down. You can grab that. You feel me? Come on, man. You can't tell me that this thing ain't valuable. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's dope. It's dope. I'm sorry, y'all. But, like I said, you got all these people here you could choose from. All of these people you could choose from for your voices. It can really do a lot. So that's about it, y'all. I'm not trying to swamp you, like I said, with all this stuff. But I really think that Tempolor has created something here that nobody else has touched. Nobody else can offer this much music and originality and being able to change it and grab it and sample it and add to it and use it for yourself and release it. No one else is offering that. If you go yearly, it's even cheaper, you know what I mean? But monthly, I'm a monthly person. If you're trying to hit with that TV radio, then make sure you hit that $29.99. Shopify, you're an artist, you like a beat, you're a producer, go with the $29.99. That's gonna keep you right. But everything else, I'll be real with you, if you're just doing this for content creation, you're doing this for your clients, commercial clients, for freelance work and all that corporate stuff, $13.99 a month will cover you, man. So if you're looking for true AI royalty-free music at an amazing price that I just showed you, there's nothing else to think about but Tempolor. You know what I mean? The fact that they let you do what they let you do, they let you take it and remix it, use it for commercial, put it out to your albums if you're a producer or a rapper, you know what I mean? I mean, within certain restrictions, but as long as you add to it, you're good. There's no company doing that I know of so far, period. So, let people know about it. If it's not for you, share it with a friend. It might be for them, because I think this is a very, very good thing. They're going to set a standard, and I'm glad I'm a part of it. So Tempolor, thank you again for just even, supporting the channel, being a part of the channel, sponsoring the channel, and I'm really there for you. Anytime you need me, I got you. You know what I'm saying? Because I really think y'all doing something dope. So if you think you might be interested in checking this out, use the link in the description below. Helps me out a little bit. No extra cost to you. And that's about it, y'all. So hopefully this helped you out and made you see something that you just haven't seen before. You all right? All right, y'all. Subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.